our beef chunk roast. This is one of America's finest dish. We're gonna season in our meat. We allow it to sit for like 10 minutes. So we're gonna be coating the meat in all-purpose flour. Okay, so we're gonna be taking it on the stove. We're gonna place the meat in. So we're gonna cook it 4 to 5 minutes on each side. So at this time, we'll mince garlic, onion. So if you have a red wine, you can add it to it. So it's sake most of the time. So I'm gonna add this paste to it to make my beef broth. Rosemary powder to it. Pouring it in our casserole dish. So we're gonna cover this and cook it for like 2 hours. We're gonna be bringing it out. Our beef to our all-purpose flour. So we're gonna pour this to thicken it. We're gonna add our put celery. Then we're gonna place it back in to cook for between 1.5 hours to 2 hours. And that's it. We're bringing it our pot. And this time, unveiling our beef chunk roast.